So we're just going to look now at how to open a case. So we're going to click on the case we want to open. We are going to click on the top right here, open in lab. And that will pull up the case that we need to work on. Nice and simple. We'll let it load in. I actually have it loaded here so we don't have to wait. So it'll pop up, it'll look like this. And we have a couple of things to fill out here. We don't worry about the right hand side. We look mainly at the left here, just the way that our system is programmed for our Dent Supply Sirona lab. So what we do is we choose the material. And to do this, we're gonna go back to the Connect Case Center. And we're gonna look at what shade they wanted. They're looking for a final 3 shade because well, this doctor always thinks that the blocks are slightly lighter than they should be. So we're gonna use an A3.5 block. What we'll do is I'll just go back to that patient here at the bottom, right here. We will go materials. We will search our materials. So we typically use Dent Supply Sirona, MTL Zirconia, multi-layer transitional, my favorite, and we want the device to be the prime mill. The prime mill needs to be turned on for that to register. So we just gotta make sure we do that first step back in part 1 before we start. We'll hit OK. And that will bring us to this page here where we can hit next at the bottom. We make sure the crown is the right one. It looks correct from what we've seen. Again, just looking on the Connect Case Center, 3.5. That's a 3.5, so we're good. That's by the Canadian system, so we go next. There's another video that we've posted, but essentially we will trim up the model. We'll skip it right now just for time's sake on the videos. There will be a night guard video also posted on how to trim. We will hit OK again when we think it's articulated properly. The way we do that is we switch to the upper model. We will bring the teeth behind the teeth here. You can't see it too well, but there's a black line. Let me move that and you'll be able to see it a bit better. See that black T in the center right here? We need the teeth behind the vertical line, and we want it centered to the horizontal line right there. So let's get that all lined up. We want as many of the teeth to be in these boxes as possible. On the top here, we want the bite to register on that horizontal line. So we're gonna move that up a little bit. And that is it for balancing.